Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use blur in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to use blur, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now, choose any option of your preference. Now select the photo or video and click here to add it to your timeline. Now, since we want to add blur to our video, simply select the effect option right here. Now, again, click on effects. Now, you can see the blur option right here. Click on it. Now, you'll be able to access the blur effects on your video. For now, I'll choose this one. And once you're happy, click here to save changes. And as you can see, it's only for a short period. You can also increase period of the blur according to your need, just like this. Now if we play our video, and just like that we can add blur in our videos in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.